Income tax for Bcom 4th semester H. Prem Raja. From this we are doing third unit 3 income from house property. Already I have discussed 3 problems in the previous class. So if you have not watched that video, watch it. Now today I am discussing fourth problem. From the following particulars given below, compute the income from house property for the current assessment year of Srimati Manisha. Municipal rental value it has given 5,000, 50,000 and rent received 55,000, due 5,000 and fair rent it has given 72,000. Nature of use commercial, let out it is land revenue 600, municipal taxes 10%. On municipal value we have to calculate municipal taxes. Ground rent, cost of facility and note municipal taxes and repairs expenses are paid by the tenant. So in the given problem municipal taxes and repairs are paid by the tenant it has given. So whenever the municipal taxes are paid by the tenant, we have to ignore, we should not take the municipal tax. We should not deduct from the gross annual value municipal tax. The house is constructed by making a loan of 5 lakh 15% on 1/11/2021 and no amount principal is repaid, for interest is paid and what it is as paid as and when it is due. So in the fourth problem MRV it has given no already. So working notes, ERV is higher of the two amounts we have to take always, MRV and FRV. MRV it has given 40,000 and FRV it has given 72,000. MRV it has given so in this MRV it has given 50,000 it has given MRV is 50,000 and MRV is 50,000 and FRV is 72,000. So ERV is higher of the following two amounts, MRV or FRV, whichever is higher, that is ERV. Actual rent value, actual rent received plus rent outstanding minus cost of facilities provided. So in this actual rent received it is given 55,000. From there outstanding rent is 5,000 it has there. So we have to add that 5,000 and minus cost of facilities provided. Cost of facilities provided is 4,600. So we will get actual rental value. So 60,000 minus 4,600 it is 55,400. Standard rent is not given So GAV gross annual value is higher of the following two amounts, ERV and ARV. ERV 72,000 we got, ARV 55,400. So whichever is higher, that is our GAV gross annual value 72,000. Once again I will repeat it. अपने को MRV और FRV municipal value 50,000 and fair rental value 72,000 it has given तो इसमें से अपने को ERV मालूम करने के लिए ये दो में से हाईएस्ट अमाउंट लेना रहता. तो ERV 72,000 आ गया. ARV एक्चुअल रेंटल वैल्यू क्या रहता, एक्चुअल रेंट रिसीव कितना है 55,000 है एंड रेंट रिसीव ड्यू आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट ऐड करना है, उसमें से कॉस्ट ऑफ फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइडेड टू द टेनेंट 4,600 we have to deduct that. So actual rental value 55,000, outstanding rent 5,000 minus cost of facility 4,600 we are getting. इसमें ये दोनों को ऐड करके 4,600 माइनस करने के बाद 55,400 अपने को एक्चुअल रेंटल वैल्यू आ गया. अब स्टैंडर्ड रेंट नहीं है इसमें तो डायरेक्टली ग्रॉस एनुअल वैल्यू हायर ऑफ द टू अमाउंट्स रहता है. ERV और ARV में जो भी हाईएस्ट रहता वो आपका ग्रॉस एनुअल वैल्यू रहता. It's clear no till here? So now in this problem, interest, the house is constructed by taking loan of 5 lakhs 15% on 1/11/2021 it has given. No, so we have to do the working notes for that. Current year interest we have to take 75,000, and prior period interest on loan is allowed as 5 annual equal installment. It is given in the page number C6. If you know this note, then why we are taking 5 installment, you will get the idea for that. See here, page number C6, fifth point. Interest on loan taken to purchase or to acquire the property or to construct the house. Interest paid for period prior to purchase completion. So in our problem, it has completed, construction is completed on 31st August 2023, but they have taken the loan on 1/11/2021. Prior to construction it has taken the loan. No, that's the point here. Prior to purchase, completion of construction will be allowed as deduction in 5 equal installment. That's why I am taken there. It's clear, no? Your doubt? Commencing from previous year. That's why previous year 1 year we have to take, in which the house is completed. Prior to construction period means the period commencing on the date of the borrow and ending on earlier of the following 2 dates. March 31st immediately prior to date completion construction, या date of repayment of loan. It's clear, no? So see here, current year interest 5,15%, 75,000 that we have to take, and prior period interest on loan is allowed at 5 equal installment. Loan taken is in our problem, loan taken is on 1/11/2021. So interest from 1/11/2021 to our this income tax accounting year will be March only, ending on March. So 31st March 2022. So it is 5 months, November, December, January, February, March. 5 months interest we have to calculate first. So 5 lakh into 15% into 5/12, we are getting 31,250. Now 2022 to 23, 75,000. These two amounts we have to add. 24 to 25 we have to take full 75,000. ठीक है? Till here 5 equal installments will be there. 31,250 5 months. This is from 21 to 22, and 22 to 23 75,000. 1,06,250 into 1/5. 1/5 why we are doing? Already I have showed you. No 5 equal installments it has given. So 21,250 plus this current year 75,000. So our total interest in this problem is 96,250. Once again I will repeat it. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम में आपको लोन जो है सो प्रियर कंस्ट्रक्शन, अब अपने को ये प्रॉब्लम में 1/11 को ले रहे, कंस्ट्रक्शन से प्रियर कंप्लीट होने से पहले लोन लिए, तो इसको 5 इक्वल इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में लेना है अपने को. इंटरेस्ट जो भी रहता करंट ईयर का तो पूरा इंटरेस्ट लेने का है ये, और उससे प्रीवियस ईयर का कंप्लीशन होने से पहले 31 मार्च टू 31 अगस्त 23, तो 31 मार्च तक अपन 23 तक पूरा इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर, क्योंकि कंप्लीट होगा यहाँ पर मार्च तक. ठीक है, जो विच एवर इज अर्लियर इट हैज़ गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. नो सो 31 मार्च 2023 तक अपने को 1/4/22 से 23 तक 75,000 हो रहा, और ये 5 मंथ्स का 21 to 22 ये दोनों को ऐड करके 1/5 25th पार्ट ओनली 1/5 करके अपने को क्वेश्चन में से लेना है. और करंट ईयर का 75,000 20 ये इंटरेस्ट जो है सो आपको 24 to 25. ठीक है, 2024 to 25. This is 22 to 23 it has taken. No, 23 to 24 full year we are taking here. So 96,250 interest we have to take. Municipal taxes paid by the tenant, no, thus it should not be taken. That's why gross annual value में से अपने को नहीं लेने का रहता. It's clear, no? इंटरेस्ट का क्लियर हो गया आप लोगों को. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Now how to do the problem? See here. This is Srimati Manisha, computation of income from house property for the assessment year 24 to 25. Particulars amount, gross annual value 72,000. What is this gross annual value? इन द वर्किंग नोट्स वी गॉट नो 70,000 GAV ARV में हाईएस्ट जो रहता वो ले अपने को प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट करना रहता. दिस इज द वर्किंग नोट्स ओनली. Actual problem you have to do like this. So gross annual value is 75,000. Municipal taxes in every problem till third problem we have taken municipal taxes, but in this problem we are not taking it because the municipal taxes are paid by the tenant. That's why we are ignoring it. You have to write in the note, in the working notes, why we have not taken this municipal taxes. Now gross annual value minus this net annual value is 72,000 only. These are the standard deduction under section 24. Standard deduction under section 24 a 30% of net annual value. It will not given in the question. You have to remember this. It's clear, no? In many third problem I have discussed that you have to remember standard deduction is not given in the question. From net annual value 30%, it's the rule of income tax that you have to deduct it 30% whatever the net annual value you are getting. So in this problem we are getting 72,000. So 72,000 30% is 21,600. This is the standard deduction. Now interest on loan, already just now we have discussed, no, working notes 75,000 current year, and that 1/5 part of that whatever we have calculated, no, in this problem in the working notes here 75,000 and 1/5 part of this 1,06,250. 1/5 we are getting 21250 plus 75,096. This interest we are taking it here. So after you have to add this standard deduction and interest on, so total is 1,17,850. So in negative we are getting the answer. 72,000 is less, net annual value is less than the deductions. So negative answer we are getting 45,850. So this is called as loss from house property. See here, 72,000 minus 1,17,000. 72,000 minus 1,17,850 minus answer you are getting, no? So negative answer means it is a loss from house property. You have to write here. It's clear? वंस अगेन आई रिपीट इट. ग्रॉस एनुअल वैल्यू, ये प्रॉब्लम में अपने को म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स नहीं लेना है क्योंकि म्यूनिसिपल टैक्स इज पेड बाय द टेनेंट. इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट टेकिंग दैट. सो एनुअल वैल्यू 72,000 आ गया अपने को. नेट एनुअल वैल्यू, स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शंस अंडर सेक्शन 24 2 डिडक्शंस है, स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन. सो स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन क्वेश्चन में नहीं रहता, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर 30% नेट एनुअल वैल्यू पे निकालना रहता. सो 72,000 का 30% अपने को 21,600 आ गया. इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन टेकन टू परचेज द हाउस, ऑलरेडी वर्किंग नोट्स आई हैव डन, नो, 96,250. ये दोनों अमाउंट्स को ऐड कर लिए तो अपने को 1,17,850 आंसर आ रहा. 72,000 में से 1,17,850 माइनस करें तो अपने को माइनस में आंसर आ रहा क्योंकि नेट एनुअल वैल्यू लेस है डिडक्शन से. दैट्स वाई वी आर गेटिंग नेगेटिव आंसर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज लॉस फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी बोल के लिखना रहता है इसको. अगर अपने को यहाँ पर नेट एनुअल वैल्यू बढ़ के है, डिडक्शंस कम है, तो इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी लिखना रहता. अगर नेट एनुअल वैल्यू कम है और डिडक्शन ज़्यादा है अगर, तो लॉस फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी यू हैव टू राइट. नाउ यू सी द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5th. दिस इज ऑन पेज नंबर C51. दिस इज द न्यू एडिशन 2024-25 इनकम टैक्स, H. प्रेम राजा. From this I am solving these problems. You have to do the problems from this book only. Now 5th, on 1st April 2023, Mr. Manohar purchased a house in Hyderabad for residential purpose for rupees 23 lakhs. For rupees 23 lakhs. For this he took a loan of 10%. For this he took a loan of 10% from Central Bank of India, which has been let out to Mr. K.R. Reddy. Let out means rent पे दे दियो. No, he has given the house for rent to K.R. Reddy on a monthly rent of 20,000. Whenever you are reading the question, first you write down the points. Actual rental value 20,000, monthly rent 20,000 per month. Like that you take out the information from the question while reading the question. The house was occupied throughout the year. The municipal valuation is 1,20,000. This is your MRV, municipal rental value 1,20,000, and municipal taxes 10%. On this only we have to calculate 10%. So 12,000 we will get the municipal tax. Standard rental value, standard rate, SRV is also as given in this problem. SRV 1,50,000. And Mr. K. R. Reddy could have obtained a similar house at a rent of rupees 14,000. Similar rent means your FRV. Similar rent is fair rental value. This is called as FRV. FRV it has given monthly. Whenever monthly is given, you have to multiply it by 12. So per month, during the year, Mr. K. R. Reddy did not pay the rent for the month of March and vacated the house. So 1 month rent we are not getting here. Unrealized rent 1 month it has given. So compute the income from house property. It's clear no from the question. मिस्टर मनोहर 1 अप्रैल को एक घर लिया उन्होंने, के आर रेड्डी को दे रहे 23 lakhs में, जो है सो फॉर रेसिडेंशियल पर्पस. रेंट 12 मंथली रेंट 20,000 पर मंथ है. MRV, FRV, SRV ऑल इट हैज़ गिवन इन दिस प्रॉब्लम. एंड लोन रेट इज 10% इट हैज़ गिवन. 10% loan it has given. So this is the information we have taken now. From this we will find out what is our ERV first. ERV is the higher of the following two amounts, MRV and FRV. MRV direct one per year, per annum it has given, and FRV per month is given. Whenever you should be very careful. When it is 1,20,000, 14,000 will not be there. Something similar, if it is in lakhs, this is also in lakhs. Some small difference will be there between these four amounts. This is the hint I am giving you. MRV, FRV, ARV, SRV, whatever four items will be there, no slight difference will be there in that. If it is in lakhs, this will be not in thousands. So 14,000 means it is per month it has given. So we have to multiply with 12. So 1,68,000 FRV we are getting. So what will be the ERV? ERV is the highest of these two amounts, MRV and FRV. So ERV we are getting 1,68,000 in this problem. Whenever SRV is given, you have to find the adjusted ERV. If SRV is not given, directly you can go for the calculation of ARV. But in our problem, SRV also it has given. So we have to take SRV, how much it has given? SRV 1,50,000 it has given. So adjusted ERV is least of the following two amounts. Least, that you have to remember, least of the following two amounts. ERV and SRV we have to compare. ERV just now we got 1,68,000. SRV it has given in the question 1,50,000. So adjusted ERV is 1,50,000 because least we have to choose from this. Now next step, ARV, actual rental value. 20,000 per month it has given, no? So 20,000 per month into 12 we have to take. From there, that you have to minus unrealized 1 month rent 20,000. So 20,000 into 12 months 2,40,000 minus 20,000 2,20,000 ARV. After finding the ARV, GAV. GAV is what? Higher of the following two amounts, adjusted ERV and ARV. Adjusted ERV 1,50,000 we got and ARV 2,20,000. So highest is GAV. So GAV is 2,20,000. Municipal tax should be calculated on municipal value, that is 1,20,000 into 10%. It has given 12,000. So once again I will repeat it. MRV अपने को 1,20,000 दे दिए ये क्वेश्चन में. FRV पर मंथ दिए. अगर पर मंथ दिए, FRV को क्या बोलते हैं? सिमिलर रेंट. रिमेंबर इट, सिमिलर रेंट इज योर FRV ओनली. इट्स क्लियर नो? पर मंथ इफ इट इज गिवन, मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 12 मंथ्स का मल्टीप्लाई करना 1,68,000. इन दोनों में से हाईएस्ट लिए तो अपने को ERV आता. अगर अपने को स्टैंडर्ड रेंटल वैल्यू भी है, अगर क्वेश्चन में स्टैंडर्ड रेंट है तो अपने को एडजस्टेड ERV मालूम करना रहता, सेकेंड स्टेप. सो इन अवर प्रॉब्लम स्टैंडर्ड रेंटल वैल्यू इट हैज गिवन 1,50,000, नो? सो एडजस्टेड ERV लीस्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टू अमाउंट्स विल बी देयर. ERV SRV का लीस्ट लेने का रहता अपने को. तो एडजस्टेड ERV 1,50,000 है। नेक्स्ट ARV मालूम करना है, थर्ड स्टेप। ARV क्या है, 12 मंथ्स का पूरा रेंट ले लेना। फर्स्ट एक मंथ का रेंट तो उन्होंने पूरे उसको दिए, लेकिन अनरियलाइज रेंट है वो, ठीक है। तो 1 मंथ का रेंट जो नहीं आ रहा उनको वो माइनस करना रहता। फर्स्ट रेंट ऑफ 12 मंथ्स यू हैव टू टेक, डोंट टेक हियर 11 मंथ्स। मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स विल डू मिस्टेक हियर 11 month, no, first you have to take 12 months rent, 20,000 into 12 first you have to multiply, from there 1 month rent you have to minus, it's clear no? So 2,40,000 minus 20,000, 2,20,000. नाउ GAV क्या रहता आपका, हाईएस्ट ऑफ दिस टू अमाउंट्स, एडजस्टेड ERV और ARV का हाईएस्ट रहता। तो अपने को ERV एडजस्टेड ERV कितना आया था, 1,50,000, ARV 2 लाख, दोनों का हाईएस्ट 2,20,000। म्यूनसिपल टैक्सेस परसेंटेज इट इज गिवन नो, तो 10% म्यूनसिपल वैल्यू जो भी रहता है MRV 1,20,000 उसके ऊपर 10% अपने को निकालना है। नाउ विल सी द प्रॉब्लम। मिस्टर मनोहर जो भी SSC रहते अपने को क्वेश्चन में दिए उनका नेम ऊपर लिख देंगे। कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी फॉर द असेसमेंट ईयर 24 to 25, particulars amount, gross annual value how much we got, 2,20,000, municipal tax 12,000, 10% of this municipal value 1,20,000 into 10% 12,000, so a net annual value we are getting 2,08,000. Deductions under section 24, 2 deductions will be there. Standard deduction you have to remember this, 30% of NAV just now we got 2,80,000, no, 2,08,000 into 30%, so 62,400 is your standard deduction. Interest on loan 23 lakhs loan, he has the purchasing amount is 23 lakh, no, see here in the second line it has given, and rate of interest is 10%, so 23 lakhs 10% is your interest on loan under section 24B, 23 lakhs at the rate of 10%, 2,30,000. now add this two, standard deduction and interest on loan, you will get 2,92,400. so here also again net annual value is less, 2,08,000, whereas deductions are 2,92,400. so in negative we are getting the answer 84,400. so you have to write loss from house property. see here 2,08,000 we are getting net annual value, but deductions we are getting 2,92,400. so in negative we are getting the answer 84,400. so this is called as loss from house property. ग्रॉस एनुअल वैल्यू ले लेना है अपने को 2,20,000, उसमें से म्यूनसिपल टैक्स माइनस कर देना है। म्यूनसिपल वैल्यू पे अपने को म्यूनसिपल टैक्स निकालना है, ठीक है, 10%। नेट एनुअल वैल्यू आ गया, डिडक्शंस 2 रहते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन, नेट एनुअल वैल्यू पे 30%, दिस इज अ फिक्स, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट, 62,400। इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन 23 लाख्स में परचेज करे उन्होंने लोन, 10% जो है सो इंटरेस्ट रेट है। सो 23 लाख का 10% 2,30,000, इन दोनों को ऐड करें तो अपने को 2,92,400 आ रहा। सो नेट एनुअल वैल्यू लेस है, वेयर एज डिडक्शंस मोर है, तो अपने को आंसर नेगेटिव में आ रहा। सो वी आर गेटिंग लॉस फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6th. Now if you are satisfied with my teaching, are you able to understand, then comment and subscribe to my channel, don't forget it. Now question number 6th, this is the Premraj, H Premraja and see हम सरला publication, income tax new edition book I am solving, page number C51. question number 6th, Mrs. Sandhya of 45 years age own a house which was let out to Mrs. Devi on a rent of 10,000, on a rent of 10,000. so this is monthly rent it has given. what it has given, monthly rent it has given how much, 10,000 per month. this is the information, you have to write it in the rough. ARV 10,000 per month it has given, actual rental value, it's clear. then what it has given, municipal value of it is 1 lakh. MRV also it has given in the problem 1 lakh. Fair rental value is given 1,10,000. Fair FRV also has given 1,10,000 in this problem. Similar rent 75,000. Similar, 1 minute. Fair rental value, standard rent, sorry, standard SRV. Similar rent is FRV. Don't SS, don't confuse. Standard rent will be SRV 75,000. Mrs. Devi did not pay the rent for July and so was made to vacate the house. So in the month of July, she did not pay the house and she vacated. In the July month, she vacated the house. So 1 month vacated will be there. On 1st August, again 1st August, she let out Mrs. Shanti on a rent of 9,000. Here rent ARV is changing. Till July it is 10,000 per month. From August onwards, she has given to other renter for rupees 9,000 per month. Two rents, actual rental value is given in this problem. Expenses incurred during the previous year, repairs, municipal taxes 15, direct has given, interest on loan also direct it has given. So we no need this repair, we directly municipal tax we required municipal tax 15,000 and we required interest on loan 72,000. Clear with the question? No, this information we got it from the question. ARV 10,000 per month for till July and 1 month rent they did not get it also. MRV, FRV, SRV is given. From August onwards 9,000 per month. The rent has changed, decreased to 9,000 per month. Now first we will calculate GAV. Now ERV, this is the working notes you have to do in the exam also in this same way only. You will get the full marks for your problem. Working notes, ERV is higher of the following two amounts, MRV and FRV. MRV it has given no 1 lakh, FRV 1 lakh 10,000. So if you take out this equation, then easily you can solve this. MRV 1 lakh, FRV 1 lakh 10,000. So ERV is highest of these two, 1 lakh 10,000. When SRV is given in the question, you have to find adjusted ERV. It's clear, no? So adjusted ERV, least of the following. Least in second step, least, remember it. ERV and SRV. ERV 1 lakh 10,000 we got it. SRV 75,000. So least is 75,000. So adjusted ERV is 75,000. Now ARV 10,000 per month till July. Till July means 4 months will be there. March, from April to April, May, June, July, 4 months. Because it starts from 1st April, no? So 1st April to May, April, May, June, July. Till July 10 months rents was there. So 10,000 into per month into 4, 40,000. Then from August it has changed. So August to 8 months. 9,000 per month into 8, 72,000. Unrealized 1 month rent she did not get it, no, for 10,000 1 month. So 1 lakh 12,000 minus 10,000, 1 lakh 2,000. ARV is 1 lakh 2,000. Now next step GAV. GAV is higher. Adjusted ERV and ARV. Highest is 1 lakh 2,000. So GAV is 1 lakh 2,000. It's clear, no? Once again I will repeat it. ERV क्या रहता अपने को? हाईएस्ट ऑफ दिस टू रहता. MRV और FRV जो भी क्वेश्चन में दे दिए ना अपने को, इसका हाईएस्ट लेना रहता ERV. अगर अपने को स्टैंडर्ड रेंटल वैल्यू है तो अपने को एडजस्टेड ERV भी मालूम करना रहता है. एडजस्टेड ERV क्या रहता? लीस्ट. ERV और SRV का लीस्ट लेने का रहता. एडजस्टेड ERV 75,000 आ गया अपने को. ये प्रॉब्लम में रेंट 2 है टिल मार्च टू जुलाई, अप्रैल टू जुलाई 4 मंथ्स जो है, सो 4 मंथ्स जो है 10,000 रेंट था. फिर अगस्त से लेके नेक्स्ट मार्च तक, अगस्त टू मार्च तक अपने को 9,000 रेंट है. सो 10,000 इंटू 4 मंथ्स 40,000, 9,000 इंटू 8 मंथ 72,000. एक मंथ का रेंट नहीं आ रहा उनको, तो 10,000. कौन सा रेंट नहीं आ रहा? जुलाई के मंथ का. तो जुलाई के मंथ में अपने को 10,000 है. अगस्त से चेंज हुआ. अगस्त से जो रेंटर आ रहे दे आर कंटिन्यू, दे आर पेइंग द रेंट. ये जो 10,000 के जो रेंटर थे इन्हों ही 1 मंथ का रेंट नहीं दिए, तो 10,000 ही माइनस करना है. सो 1 लाख 12,000 माइनस 10,000, 1 लाख 2,000. तो ARV अपने को 1 लाख 2,000 आ गया. GAV क्या रहता? हायर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टू अमाउंट्स रहता. एडजस्टेड ERV और ARV का हाईएस्ट. सो GAV 1 लाख 2,000. इट्स क्लियर, नो? नो द प्रॉब्लम. जो भी अपने को SSC रहते क्वेश्चन में मिसिस संध्या उनका नेम लिखना है. कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ इनकम फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी फॉर द असेसमेंट ईयर 24 to 25. Particulars amount. Gross annual value 1 lakh 2,000. Municipal taxes direct it has given in the question 15,000. So net annual value minus this you will get 87,000 net annual value. Deductions under section 24 2 are there. Standard deduction 30% of this annual value 26,100. Interest on loan direct it has given in the question 70,000. So add this you will get again negative answer. Loss from house property 9,100. ग्रॉस एनुअल वैल्यू कितना है अपने को 1,02,000, उसमें से म्युनिसिपल टैक्स माइनस करें तो नेट एनुअल वैल्यू 87,000। स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन हमेशा 30% इस पे ही निकालना रहता अपने को नेट एनुअल वैल्यू पे। सो 26,100। इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन गिवन है क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्टली 70,000। सो दोनों को माइनस कर देना है। ये दोनों को ऐड करने के बाद अपने को 96,100 नेट एनुअल वैल्यू कम है और डिडक्शन ज़्यादा है। 87,000 माइनस 96,100, 9,100 नेगेटिव में आंसर आ रहा। सो यू हैव टू राइट लॉस फ्रॉम हाउस प्रॉपर्टी। Are you able to understand whatever I am explaining you? If you want to me continue, then comment me that you are satisfied with my teaching. You want all the units of this income tax subject, and if you want to explain me other subjects also of your semester, then comment me.